Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Happy Sunday to you, my fans all over the world. Yes, so thank you. Good evening. Yes, so it's your boy once again, Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. Yes, so my viewers all over the world, I want to see my fans. Yes, I don't see my lovely sister, Cash Madan Agbonifo. Yes, so good evening. Happy Sunday. It's a lovely Sunday. Yes, so now no say for my program na enjoyment program. Make una invite una friends. Invite your friends. Tell your friends, say, the King of birthday wishes, the Messenger is around again. I'm here to give message today, to make people happy. If you know say you never get your Oguden by your side, make you tell them, make them bring Oguden for you. If you want to understand the meaning of Oguden, you go tap your Google. That your Google will tell you. Just so my topic today now, message to Esther Edokpaji, the lady of song for Edo State. Now I get my message today. Just before we start, make I first play some music. Make I invite, make I see my people. Then I'll still wish people happy birthday. But few people are there with me today. Then I'll enter the message. Just so now maybe the mouthpiece of all Edo musicians. Just I still talk and say for my time, I don't want to say anybody go comment for social media or come they insult our Edo musician. Yes, so if anything they happen between you and musician, you go call the King of birthday wishes or the Messenger. I go settle now inside house. Because my name musician, if you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your Google. Now your Google will tell you. Now I go tell you. Yes, so it still be say if I see some of our musicians, the one they match red light, I go still give my message. Now no see me, I know the insult for my message. Me insult man. Yes, this one I'm a fellow musician, my fellow colleague in the industry. So I get message for them today. So before we proceed, may I first play some music from my brother, my friend, Egbe One International. May I plan? Okay, then. No, not go. Invite your friends. Egbe One, alongside. Just so let's enjoy this music. And so thank you, Roland Ehile. May God bless you, my great superstar. Oh, Saratin, I see you. Big shop. Oh, Egele. Ah? Yemi nuama no asunu ekpe wa o senegian. Una waswe wa ga sunu me. Amagbagbi ga ma fan o. Una waswe wa ga mo o. Thank you, Joy Ehis. May God bless you. Blackie John, I see you. Odion Pretty, thank you. Joy Ehis. Uji, I see you. Rolly, I see you. Ede Edosa, I see you, my superstar. You hear them? Uno ya mweo. Emi nu mama no. Ekwa no. Accident on yande kwen o. Uno ya mweo. Emi nu mama no. Ekwa na sumu. Nane. Accident on ya mweo. Thank you, Black John. May God bless you. Oh, John Pretty, I see you. You hear now? No, ya well. Mama. See where I come like for inside. I go back, I need what that get off one. My go back, I'm an Yoisa. And Damon, who went off the Bokutano. Yamia, other baby one of ye. When no yama, Yana, Yaya, Moe. I wear. Oh, yeah, you here. Mama, my son, my son. Oh, Mede, Wanyakate. Thank you very much, Cash Madam Agbonifo. Thank you, Egbe. No, Yamuel. Naso.
Egbe one alongside with Uncle Festus.
Oh. Thank you very much, my brother Egbe and Festus. That music, I too go like that music. In fact, I love the music. I love the music. When I go to our Okado ya loke. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, ask your Google. Your Google will tell you the meaning. Just so, anya ko agwe we na we Bible. We na we Bible. We na Jehovah we Bible. Ya agwe. Yes, my main topic today now to Esther Edokpaji, the lady of song. Now yeah, the message for today. So, before we go, I will first play some music. I will wish people happy birthday. Just two minutes music. Una when music dey with me, two minutes. So that if they want play them, don't go YouTube, go find them. I go guy kiri. So that I'll quick reach where the message day today. Yes, I want to see my people. Yes, good evening. If you see me for the first time, yes, now me be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the king of birthday wishes. Yes, my platform now to make people happy. Just to give message. As a musician, now I come vow say for my time for this social media, I no go want make anybody the pamisi can kwe. My name musician do. Yes, if you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, you go ask your Google. Your Google go tell you. Yes, I no go gree for my time. That's why now see anytime I talk, I want give message to human being. Maybe it go be musician or who face musician. Just for my time. My topic today na message to Esther Edokpaji, because now musician like me. It good say if I see things no they go well for inside the industry. I must come and talk. So that everywhere go dey good. Everywhere go dey good. So my people, make I play music 2 minutes, listen to this music. I know say music na message. Make now they pick the message inside. God bless you. Yes, I get some people when I go wish happy birthday today. People like Agbo Yosa Simili and some others. Now go help me wish them happy birthday today. Voila. Okay, now let's go. The first on my list now. Yes, I have Sister Rita Usadiaye. I don't know whether na wonderful twins sister. In you play one new music. Sister Rita based in France. And a very big superstar. From the people vibration industry. And then still bring this one come. The message at table. So make now listen to this music just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. If now need the full copy of the music, if you like the music, just inbox me. I will fire the music on your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. So listen to this music. Sister Rita Usadiaye, featuring Usaru. But I say this one is a brother because they resemble well. May I show their picture? Just so, make I play their music. Because musicians, God to go bless Benin with music. God to go bless us. Just so, not be lie. So, my sister, make you play for us. Make you take listen. Today na Sunday. Make you na hold na good day. If you don't know what it be your good day, tap your gogo. Or good day. Uga ovye do pataki. Why na your good day ka? Ye kegbe uvye myogo na kaya yo uze nye kaka. No ya di emi because uno di agbon pakara. Yes, so my sister, I play for the house 2 minutes, so that the ministry will start moving. Invite your friends. Please invite your friends. The messenger is around again. Yes, so. Yes, so a new single from a lovely sister, Sister Rita Usadiaye. Oh. Nanso. Oh, thank you very much, Sister Rita. Eko awe kiri. Asawo no ru bagwewe. Ogwe na refu egbe roga gbabo. Yes, so if you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your Google. Your Google go tell you. Go tell you the meaning. Yes, so the next on my list, na cook na guy kiri. This one are Mr. and Mrs. Igogbe. Titled Usaize no Wesena. 2 minutes. I cook guy. I guy now do bogwe jokman. Yes, my main topic today now message to Sister Esther Edokpaji, the lady of song. Oh yeah, Sister Igogbe, Mr. and Mrs. Igogbe, me gonna play 2 minutes. Na ko guy kiri. Yes, so. this music, I will be with you soon. Now so, who did that now? I want to see my people. I see you, Obas, Kingsley, Omoruyi. That is the unbreakable one of Verona. I see you, Baba. I see you. Usane se no wesena. Ew. He's not that fan. Osane se no wesena. He's not that fan. Edio Bojo, Iman Joy, I see you. That's so. Mama Rufus one of UK, I see you, Baba. Mommy, what's up? Baba, I'm West. Sanese no Wesena. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Igogbe, for that music we wanna play. I cool guy, kiri na. Small. No me not babo. Yes, so make I not go forget our brother, my superstar. Yes, so the fine boy, Omoniya Yobe Dono. Omone telebu. Omo no maija webo no megbe na meve webo. Oh, don't Monica nai. Who I did talk about? If you want to understand the meaning of that Edo when I just speak now, you go ask your Google. Who I did talk about? Don't want to mess with you na. Osai no ma esewi. Now no that superstar, that fine boy. Omo no kwejege. Oma aga kwejege omuse. Yes, so Osai no ma esewi. Owie done gele. He want do launch yo. He want do launching on the 16th. Where he want do an center of Benin. Nobody will not know CY bar. CY bar for Sakmomba Road. Now there for one do on the 16th. Osai no ma esewi. This one are live on stage. Yes, so my people, if you know say you be Nigerian man, you date Nigeria now, and now Europe you dey stay. Make una try. Make una go enjoy. This one a free show. You go just go there. You not go pay money, take buy ticket, enter. You go sit down. Osai no ma say we go even still give you 1 star. And make you take Oregbe, make you take watch am. Yes, now go support am that day on the 16th. Osai no ma say we launching. I go play the music, one of the music when be say he want launch that day. No talk, say not be everything that they use here. Go and see with your eye. Go and sit down and look with your eye. Feed your eye. Yes, so that's why they see people when they do wrestling. People they like pay money, go look there, not be to look am for telly. If you know say they Nigeria, go. If you don't still reach Europe for this, I say Osai no ma say we live on stage don't come out. You go still they talk say I was there. That one na evidence say you go Nigeria. Make una go support my brother Osai no ma say we aka Owie Done Gele. May I show a picture? Mona know who I they talk about. He send the picture come. That is the launchy picture. Fine boy. Sign no ma. Osai no ma and I go you sir. I will say me na woman. Yeah, one nani ni agavu for free. I even still they give them money because they're too fine. Just so see Osai no ma, fine boy. Yes, my people, milk I beg. Make una go support this my brother. Now no, mona support am. God go bless una. So make I play music just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So that the ministry go dey move. Yes. So no man say we play that your music. Just so thank you very much, Asia Uche. May God bless you, Pretty Joy. Thank you very much, Blackie John. Say fine boy. Now fine boy. Say no man, a fine boy. Yes, oh yes, I know my plan. And my people they wait for your music. Oh. No, never the short term, bros. Boss, it goes only short term. Because I know man, play that your music. Let me see more people. I want to see more people. Okay now. This one I'm one of the music. My case when I go my case when I go please make we go support this my brother on the 16th. Yes, so say we don't be lying. Thank you very much, Usainoma Esewi. Because of time, I could wear zai. Now I play now. Now I sing that music when they play us now. So on the 16th, I beg my people, make una try, make una go Usainoma live on stage. Na ya gwe gogo. Na ya gwe gogo ge ikwe mwesune. Mama ne gyante mama daiva son ya na do dio be deri gbene. Usainoma say we. A big congratulations to you. I know say my people then go answer you. Yes, so the next on my list, Agbo Weyok Mavan. Yes, so my topic today now to Esther Edokpaje, the lady of song. Yeah, now so okay. The next on my list, I want to wish my lovely brother, my friend, my colleague in the industry. Yes, who am I talking about? Who are they talking about? Near do fiame eboy logo na zelason. Yes, so akpa continue clear the floor. Oh, tie problem, you know. Or when not tayo basame, you know, who can mama we sikodo. Komani ke sikodo ke ya, amenya vunya. Yes, so who are they talk about? Who are they talk about? Yes, so who are they talk about now? Agbo yo sa. Fine. Now see the two people when I don't mention their names. So Agbo yo sa AG simile it do birthday. It do birthday on the 5th of this month. That is on Friday. Now Agbo yo sa do a birthday. Today, as me be the king of birthday wishes, I need to wish a happy birthday today. Agbo yo sa. Anytime you come across this video, make you just dance because God don't bless you. God don't bless you. Also, how about bless you one? Yes, God say make I tell you say for this your new age when you enter so. Or when you have fefe no da we would you win a guy we here no do that. Oh, or one mono sage agbon or ni ege agbon where working. Owo se ni rabi jo na mu agbo yo sa no e. Enye seti gbo yo sa. Agbo yo sa agbe no agolo no ameke. E ma no e bo se no na meke. Ka me mani we ni aya tape gogo yan. Yes, so if you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your gogo. Your gogo go tell you. Yes, so agbo yo sa AJ Simili. Happy birthday to you, my lovely brother, my lovely friend. Long life and prosperity. No ma seti gbo be kujue. Ye be seti gbo nwane. O sabwa when you come away, o sege wise to adu ache otofure ruda egbega okeze oga moko. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your gogo. Now your gogo go tell you. Just so make I show Agbo Yosa when be say he do his birthday on the 5th of this month. Happy birthday to you, the boss. They call you the boss. Yes, so Agbo Yosa, sir. Now be that one. May I show another of a picture? Now fine boy, handsome boy. Agbo Yosa, I will say I be woman. I for toast you. I for toast you, my brother, because you two go fine. Yes, so now this one be Agbo Yosa, sir. Yes, so happy birthday to you, big brother, my big friend, my friend, my brotherly. Agbo Yosa, sir. Yes, you say you are the boss. May God let you be the boss in Jesus' name. God don't start them. This one when you see now smutty. If you is a Torah, you go the surprise. Because God don't send you come. Enemy not fit do anything. That's why they call you Agbo Yosa. If you want to understand the meaning of Agbo Yosa, you go tap your Google. Your Google will tell you. Agbo Yosa, may I play one of your music? I do love your music. Your music I dey play day and night. Especially if I dey happy, I can't play your music. Internet make you work. Make you know. Okay, YouTube. Now YouTube I dey go. All of you I dey subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please my people, make una still dey subscribe for my own. I dey beg una, make una dey subscribe for my own. Make I play this one for Agbo Yosa. Make I plan for a birthday. He call this one Olidara. I too go love am. Just 2 minutes, more listening. 2 minutes. Yes, sir. Okay, Leslie.
It's Whitey.
AG Selimi Agbo Yosa.
After this music, I go enter my message of today. Message to Esther Edokpaji. Oga sonne my soul. If you have call my soul, it's all that the feedback woman. Message to the Rupa. Nito aria bebo. Iya me makoko video. Iya me makoko video. Nundanona, iya to me tia telanta o. Iyo koko. Iyo koko. Agonera na ita no mo. Agakpo. Agoniye na ita no mo. Osanare o, emego no. You were sianana, selfishness and greedy of money. Love of money. Taking all over the everywhere, my brother, is alive. Please join me to wish Agbo Yosa happy birthday. Just so, please just join me to type happy birthday to Agbo Yosa. See your money and pay your holy dara. mo video okake na ya igago. Thank you. Young ID, I see you. Please join me to wish Agbobiosa happy birthday. Thank you, Odaro. May God bless you, Osamende Odaro. Thank you, Mercy Best. Please join me to wish Agbobiosa happy birthday. Yeah, na do agui. Niawe oradi odore. Igofo iwe ile. Owe mo so to me. Iya yo money abe ya woli dara. Thank you, Oba Suyi Gift. May God bless you. Iman Joy, thank you very much for wishing Agbobiosa happy birthday. Thank you, Rita Cash Madam Agbonifo. May God bless you. What's amigo ayo? Wa emi na Agbobiosa tana. Iyo nomure okake mi manzi yojo sejo. Wagi samigo aye. Emi no kake wa no. Thank you very much, Agbobiosa and Uji Temple, for that music. Yes, so now Agbobiosa birthday. Now we just celebrate now. Happy birthday to you, my friend, my brother, my superstar, Agbobiosa. Happy birthday once again from the house of the messenger. It's time for us to enter the main topic of today. It's a message to Esther Edokpaji, aka the Lady of Song. Yes, before I start, my name still remains Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. Yes, my program now to make people happy, give message to people. Yes, wish people happy birthday. If you get music when you new play, you want me people hear and call the messenger. Yes. Now be the work when God send me. Come make I come the do. Yes, I can still talk say for my program. Not before my time. The way when they take they insult our Edo musicians is getting too much. And they try put stop as the mouthpiece of all Edo musicians. Yes. I'm here today to give message to my lovely superstar, Esther Edokpaji, aka the Lady of Song. Yes, before I start, I want to thank one great man for that Benin City, Edo State. This man, he can't make me know say some people they when no they talk, but he get wetin they carry, he get wetin God they bless them. Who are they talk about? Ebo of Amagba, Ebo Amagba. May God bless you, Baba. May God bless you. I really appreciate what you do for inside this week. I really appreciate. You call Winston Ehigato, aka Akobiyan, and Abat to settle their differences. May God continue to bless you. Yes, now all those kind of people now we want for that Edo. If you want to understand the meaning of Igobazio, Igobado level, you go tap your Google. Your Google will tell you. People like Ebo Amagba, I know say Now God send una come this world. Make una come dey help people. Solve people problem. Yes, I know your brother when be pastor for Verona that time. When I did Verona. Now so he get good heart. I know how many people when that pastor don't help for that Verona. Ebua Magba. May God continue to bless you. Yes, these thanks now from Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger. God continue to bless you. Thank you very much. May God bless you. I see when Abat constantly say, Akube, na his senior brother. Abat, may God continue to bless you. We need happiness for Benin, not be to they fight each other. They do everything. Happiness. You know, say that your senior brother. May God continue to bless you. Yes, yes. The main reason why I come today, this message now to Esther Edokpaji. Please share this my message. Share this video. I want to make you reach Esther Edokpaji table. Yes, Esther Edokpaji. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Anytime you come across this video, I want to give this message to you because you now musician like me. Yes, we know how everything starts. When you come Benin that time, we know. That time, me, I don't still grow for the industry. I know you as a musician, a good singer, and a good script writer, and a good film actor. You the art well. But when you come Benin, because it gets some videos when I see, when you do, it get who I see for inside that video. And they see all your videos when they do. And all those things not concern me. But this one, when it come concern, say, now musician. I need to give message to you. Because I try, called you. I write you, I tell you, I called you, you say you dey busy, you go call me back. Then I called you, you pick my call. I tell you, say, now me they talk to you. You end the call, say you call me back. You never call. Yes, now this message now be one gift to you that day. So since you not really pick my call, you not call me. So I need to give this message to you. Esther Edokpaji, when you come Benin, you can sing. Yes, so. Because this matter, it don't dey many people we never put it down. But me, I dey see wetin dey happen. As far as see now inside the industry, me dey. Under many say I dey Europe, everything, internet, no they make us they see, no they let everybody come dey inside darkness. We dey see wetin dey happen. You come, Esther, when you come Benin, you play that your first album, when you carry you come out, Izegbe. Now you take commands. Yes. Even then, you they carry dance small. Some of my boys come they back you that time. If you remember Austin, when they play Turkey drum, now my band, they come back you that time. But anytime get dance, they always come my side, they go fail your side. The reason why I come out, I go the Nana Okade. Yes, now message I want to give to you. Me and you not get quarrel. You are my sister. You are my we did the same industry. I still did film industry. I registered for AM 2003. Now I register for AM. So I'm a full member of AM. So I know when you start. Yes. I know when you come meet Akobe. Yes. Because this thing are between you and Akobe. Now be Akobe say make I come out because I observe some things. It gets some video when I see. When make me get interest. I not say make I talk this matter. Make people come they deliberate on it. Yeah, it tiny. I go tell Esther I will give am the message when I want give am. Just so you make Akobe your godfather. Akobe sing with you, do everything, help you for your music career. You can't enter film industry. Now, Esther Edokpaji. Before then, Destiny with Akobe. They don't know Tete. If Destiny want do anything, it's either Nwamagbe or Akobe. Now they carry. Yes, we know all those things. But now, he get video when I see the drummer when they drum Esther Edokpaji now. Na Akobe drummer. I not say na Akobe be master. But this drummer don't deal with Akobe for close to 15 years now, or more than 15 years. And Esther no say this boy na Akobe hand na they play. Now the boy they play drum for you now. I can't try find out why. Because I played that band, me, Omoefe the King. I play Akobe band for close to 11 to 12 years. Yes. So I know as everything to happen for Usain Dete enter there. So my sister Esther Edokpaji, not be so. We all now one. The time when you come, when you never know everybody, and that time you take make Akobe your godfather. I don't know whether I get any issue. I don't know. I don't even know because some people say I don't they go saga. I know they do saga. When it concerns musicians, I must comment. Yes, so who call us how we yagbe gen yagbe. O me we kinana gbi wa if anana be gbi. Yes, that's why this matter concern me. Yes, Esther Edokpaji. Akobe can't deal with you, help you do everything. Now, since when you know Destiny, Ebagwa, now it can't be say everything can't change you. I say make I tell you. I see the launch when Akobe do of recent. You not go. Your godfather do launching. You not go. I don't know whether I get issue. And if I get issue, make you meet am, make una settle one. As far as say you make am your godfather, then not be when things come good now, you can't say not be so. And that drummer when you they use, you suppose no say na Akobe drummer. If I thought say that drummer come out for Akobe band, not be you when make Akobe your godfather go they use am. No, it's not right. It's not right. It's not right, my sister. You are a musician like me. It's not right. You make Akobe your godfather. You no go Akobe launching. Why? You not supposed. Now those things be the thing when I be one ask you, when I come they call you. You not pick my call. Esther, please, I want to beg you. Because for this seat when me dey today, it no go come good say we musicians, me they fight for musicians. And they say make people know they insult our musicians or our film actors. It can't be say people when me they fight for, don't come they fight for inside body. I know say this thing when I they talk so it dey strange to you. I know say it good dey strange to you. Yes, so some things when we know they call something, that can be something. The way if you want to understand the meaning of that Edo language, you go tap your Google. Esther Edokpaji. Make you try meet your papa. Now you make him your godfather then. Not before you to collect that boy. No, it's not done. It's not done. Drummer many for Benin. If it be say that boy gets problem with Akobe, make you tell and say make you go reconcile with Akobe. I remember when I dealt with my oga that time, Akabama, because I like Ukodo. Well, now Ukodo music I dey play. Now I take the rehearse. Even if I go dance, I can't say I still deal with my oga. I can't go Ukodo office. I use leg from Ewa Road go Ukodo office for Second West. When I reach there, I don't they play guitar. They feel play Ukodo music anyhow. I reach there, I meet Ukodo son. I know so Ukodo no remember this thing. That time Ukodo they use Benz 230. Now they use that time. He come meet me for the office. I tell him, say, Baba, I want to learn music for your hand. He said, but you not Akabama boy. Why you want to come out for Akabama hand? Now I say, I don't like the music. He can say no. Before he go take me, he want to ask Akabama why me want come out. I mean they fear now. Make you not true go ask Akabama. He can't go drop me for Ring Road. I come from there go Ewa Road because now Ewa Road that they stay. So I can't remain with Akabama. Today with Akabama, I'm still a musician. So why I they give this story? You not supposed they use that boy as your drummer now. I know say I don't want to talk many things. I want just give you this message. Make you go reconcile with your papa, with your godfather. You make Akobe your godfather. Why you not go Akobe launching? Why? Esther Edokpaji. You don't forget when this man they don't follow you, they try to do everything, make you stand for music industry. Because you just come, you enter. When my web music, I have a music. Well, last speaker, man, last speaker, but you are eating with music. Oba Buekino. But you make Akobe your godfather. Please, Esther Edokpaji. That boy. If now one know why they talk, the boy when they drummer now, Mona look and wear. That guy don't deal with Akobe for more than 14-15 years now. Please, Esther, go and apologize. Go and meet Akobe. I don't know the issue when they, but remember the time when you take Maker your godfather. Now peace. Now just one more get peace. So that if anybody they fire Edo musicians, I'll feel they fire them back. May not be say me they attack people when they attack Edo musicians. And we musicians will not get unity. Please make we get unity. And I can still look say for entertainment, that is for acting for AM. It not gonna be one. And they say no. It be like say they share and some get their own part, some get their own part. Please, my entertainers for Benin, make we join our hand together. Make musicians for Benin, make we get union. If union there, all those things not going to happen. Please, make we get union. I remember one time when I did Benin, one Ishan boy, he learn music for Benin. He go Ishan say one go start. He say Ishan musician, all those them are feeling there. They tell and say if you not register, you know if you go dance for Ishan. The guy don't come Benin because he not dey Benin like that. All those kind of association. If you not did the association, you know if he be musician. Then the boys when they work follow now. Make una they take care of them. The boys when they work follow now. Make una register them. Make na band. Some people when they work for company. Yes, company go give them car, go give them, go they pay their money for their house. Yes, he go no say na company in there. Yes, please, Esther Edokpaji, I want to make you and Akobe reconcile. Yes, leave that boy when they drum you now. Leave him. You come meet Akobe. you come meet Akobe. Please, please. I don't know whether I get anything. And I want to beg you, my sister, Esther Edokpaji. You are a superstar. You are a lady of songs. God bless you. God bless you. You can't jump better person. Please, my sister, this live video of a thing, no let them they come on. It too they come on. It too they come on. It too they come on. He get where superstar go reach before you say you are a lady of song. Do your things as you they snap all those your picture when you pull fine thing for head. You go do and they show and all those things good. Guys, some video whether then they mistakenly use your phone to the record and no. At times if you reach as they go through your profile, any video when you don't like, when they do live video, they delete them because you are a star. God born you. It's not easy to sing in that Edo and you don't come to hear of you. You understand? But Edo was a can be that's a movie industry. It get unity when before you come. Oh well no where they do to me Allah wanna where I'm not where y'all. Please more and build down. Make no rigaro. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your Google. Your Google will tell you. Please, my lovely sister, the live video when they do, reduce and small, because people they look you. You are a public figure now. If you don't know, you are a public figure. You know the things you will do on social media. In the time of work, if you dey stage, do anything when you know say they do, show all those one good. Please, not be everybody when you talk to now. I want to beg all our superstars when they begin. Not be everybody when you just talk to now for live video. Now they reply. Mona leave them for me. Me deal with them now. Mona leave them. Mona not they reply them. They say when you come they reply, they come they you know understand. Thank you very much, Esther Edokpayi. You still remember my sister, my friend, my colleague in the industry. Yes. What I tell you, if you be saying a nonsense to you, please make you pick the sense when they say the nonsense when I talk, so that I'll still remain Omoefe the King to you. This is the message from the messenger. Thank you, my people. Thank you, my viewers all over the world. Thank you, Lovett Sylvia. May God bless you. Thank you, Cash Madan Agbonifo. May God bless you. May God bless you. Christine, may God bless you. Thank you very much. So let's enjoy some music from the house of the messenger before we call it a day. Please make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel never still reach 1K. Please, make una subscribe. And very soon, una follow me up for my page. Now my page now they do my live video now. For more message and more information. Please, my people, Okobo berry I don't reach ground oh. If not they bini, muna please, muna go. Dama barrier, please, my people. Let's show some love and show some love to my brother Usain Noma Esewi, aka Obie Done Gele Gele. Please remain blessed. Yes, so my platform now to happy give message. If you feel say my message na nonsense, make you pick sense for say my message. Make you take correct your mistake. Because now inside nonsense, now for the see sense. Yes, so that's why Edo they use and make parable say Uwanu Anamianu. If you want to understand the meaning of that Edo, you go tap your Google. Now your Google will tell you. Now Google tell you. Yes, so everyday people make you play music, and your wife go still play music 2 minutes. Make we take call it a day. Please enjoy this music. Happy Sunday, my viewer all over the world. I still remain your brother, your son, your boy, your superstar, Omo Efe the King, aka the Messenger, the king of birthday wishes. Just so if you get any of your loved ones when you want to do birthday charata, make you not forget to contact the king of birthday wishes so that the ministry go dey move. Or if you get good music when you play, contact the Messenger. Remain blessed, remain blessed. May God continue to bless you. So everyday people, make you play that your music, make we taste suburbo before we call it a day. All right.
It's now equivalent to this.
Thank you, Cash Madam Agonifo. May God continue to bless you. Unuke Osobo. Watoye. Orobelega. Thank you, everyday people. That's the people vibration. Please, my people, make I not go forget. Yes, on the 14th of this month, that is on Valentine's Day, I go day live with my brother, the Young ID. I want play guitar. Now see that guitar, that guitar when they there so. I want play live with them. Make una join up. Make una join us that day. Yes, I will do a YouTube channel direct and a Facebook Young ID. Now go see the flyer. The flyer dey my profile. Me una join us that day. I want to entertain una. I want to entertain una from Young ID Entertainment. The guy don't interview me. Yes, the ministry is moving. Please join me up on the 14th. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. That is next week Sunday. Next week Sunday. 6 o'clock in the evening. Don't fail. Don't fail. I'm going to entertain you. I'm going to entertain you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to attend my brother launching on the 16th for CY Bar. CY Bar for Sakmomba Road. Thank you. That Bishop, may God bless you. Blackie John, thank you very much. May God continue to bless you. Please, all I want from Edo musicians, let's be united. United we stand, divided we fall. I mean na yezo you. Thank you very much. I love you all. Remain blessed, remain blessed, remain blessed. If anybody they ask una who am I the shakara, make una tell that person say, go and tap your Google.